There was no relief for BRS leader K Kavitha in the Delhi liquor policy case. The Delhi High Court dismissed her bail petitions both in the CBI as well as the ED cases. K Kavitha is currently in jail and the CBI is questioning her. She was arrested by the ED on March 15th. Uma Sudhir has more details.
So the legal setback suffered by the BRS party, rejection of bail for Kavitha as well as the rejection of the plea of the former Chief Minister KCR, who had filed a plea in the Telangana High Court seeking for the Commissioner of Inquiry against the power purchase agreements to be dismissed. That has also been rejected. Both these setbacks come at a time when the BRS is already in a political crisis. Not just the defeat in the assembly elections followed by desertions by its party leaders and subsequently the blank that it drew in the Lok Sabha elections has led to the desertions becoming even more. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has in fact just come back from an almost week-long tour to Delhi, and what we understand is that he's got the green signal to further strengthen his party, and what this could mean is that more MLAs and MLCs as well could be joining the Congress party from the BRS. What I must point out is that this is something that KCR had adopted as a strategy both in his first term as well as in his second term. First term, as many as 4 MPs as well as 25 MLAs and 18 MLCs had crossed over to the TRS of that time, and in the second term as well 14 MLAs from other parties had crossed over, 12 of them from the Congress. And now for the Congress, one was to strengthen itself because they hardly had a majority of about 64 to 65 was their number, and therefore they felt they needed to strengthen themselves when they were sounds of threats from both the BJP as well as the BRS. And the second part of it is that with the budget and important bills that could come up in the assembly as well, Revanth Reddy wants to make sure that he has the majority not just in the assembly but in the council as well, where with its 40 members there are about 25 of the BRS and the Congress has hardly 4 members, and therefore he needs to strengthen. And the meeting of an MLC, Banda Mudiraj, Prakash Mudiraj, with the Chief Minister is expected to be only the beginning of many more such MLCs as well, perhaps shifting loyalties, political loyalties, and therefore in a sense the BRS is going to be in more of a crisis with its numbers going down in the assembly and in the council as well. For the party, right now is the worst of times perhaps, certainly on the back foot.